Good morning, Alice Rochelle here. I've got my brand new Thermix TM7 and I've decided to come and go live and share you the unboxing of it. So just to give you a bit of background, some of you may know me from many avenues. I've been a Thermix consultant since the end of 2019 and it was my first chance to step up and do something for me outside of the house to help me build my independence, my skills and find my voice. So I started and purchased the TM6. Didn't necessarily expect to still be here 5.5 years later. But once I started sharing my story of Thermix and why I purchased it, which was to help my kids who are all on the spectrum be able to cook easier, to learn to read, to build skills. Because as a mum, a neurodivergent mum, with kids with special needs, sensory eating, I got overwhelmed cooking in the kitchen. I really struggled. I struggled to follow recipes. I'd often forget steps because I'd get sidetracked. I'd quite often leave a pot on the stove and it would burn and I'd end up with a burnt pot, smoke alarms going off, which would trigger kids and myself. So I invested in the TM6. Yes, it is an investment. It does cost money and a fair bit of money, but I was worth it. And so are you. So I have started and I have knowledge of the TM31, TM5, TM6 and now the brand new TM7. And honestly, as I said last night, when I first saw it come out, I was like, yeah, it looks good, but I had no interest in it. From my background as being an AT mentor, honestly, I saw multiple issues with it for a person with disabilities. And we'll go into those because later on I'll do a bit of a comparison side by side of the TM6 and TM7 to show you a few things. Because ultimately it's about choice, it's about options. And living with disabilities, and as I said, my disabilities have gotten worse. I've had a fusion discectomy in my neck, which impacts my right arm, and more recently it's impacted my left arm. So I have major strength issues. So even something that's fairly light, I'm under a hold and strength. But that's enough about me. Let's get into unboxing. So let's go. Who's excited? So as I said, this was launched last night. Welcome to your TM7. So what's inside? The box. Let's try and make a bit more room. So I'm coming to you from my bag. So we have our brand new instruction manual. So it's only an excerpt because they've produced a lot less packaging and information. But you'll find there's some differences straight away when we get started. And some more paperwork. And then it's in 2 boxes. We have our aroma, which we'll unpack a little bit later. We'll have our bowl. Our bowl does have some weight, but we'll talk about that soon. And then let's get into it. Let's get the base. The base, which is pretty good, probably because of the angle of my box. And the base. So now I'm going to move the box and let's make it a table. So when you get your TM7, and for those who've pre-ordered, it will be coming in a long rectangle box, so not that big square chunky box that we're used to. So we have our base. Let's actually get in and if I can work out how to get into the box. So I guess this is, for anyone who's unlike me, not reading instructions, it's a little handle. And you've got to pull the side and that lifts up and flaps up. So here is our brand new spatula. Can you see some brand new differences? It stands up. It's got a dough handle and it sits flat. Nice and big compared to the others. So there's lots of cardboard here, a bit of noise. But let's have fun together. Because that's what it's all about, isn't it? So here is the base. So straight away you'll notice some differences. It's slack, it's thick, it's not slack, it's slick and modern. So we won't actually be doing a cooking demo or turning it on today, but we just wanted to unpack it with you. So nice flat base. Look at this screen, how cool is that? And it's all touchscreen. So you'll notice on the top here, it looks like it's got ribs. It is textured, but it's actually flat. But how cool is the black colour? And then let's get to our jug. So yes, there's little handholds to help you open it. And for someone with ASD that doesn't follow instructions, this is one thing I do love about having a Thermomix and so on. They're there to help you all the way of your journey when you don't understand. So you don't necessarily need to worry about reading instructions because you've got someone who will provide that customer service and help you on your way. And here is our amazing jug. It's an insulated jug, so you'll find that it's going to be a lot quieter. And we'll talk about that later because I'm going to actually show you how quiet it is because that's something that actually blew my mind last night. I'd heard how quiet it was. So again, 2 handles, and it sits on nice and easy. Our lid's a bit different. That's one of the issues I don't really like. So we've got our new lid. Good old butterfly again. Our new cap, which goes on our lid, and our basket. But you'll notice some differences straight away. So we've got a release here, sliding that across, and our blades come out. And then our bowl just slides out. How simple is that? So someone with a disability, I absolutely love this. So this is our insulated bowl, which is quite light, and then it all slides back together. But before I forget, see you've got a little locking mechanism here. Don't pull it off because it's designed there. That's what's actually going to lock our bowl into our insulated cover. Then putting it back together, slides in, put our blades in, and lock it back in place. I do actually love that. It's going to make it so much easier for our blades. And then again, let's put it all back together and let's have a look at our aroma because that is different and so cool. But I'll go through later the practicalities of how to use it and what's going on. But you'll notice straight away, there's also a difference with our lid. We can't see through it anymore. We can't put anything in it, so that's going to be great and keep it safe. And now let's have a look at our Verona. It's got a little finger hole. So for those who have... I'll pull. And so our Thermomix TM7 is actually bigger. So for those who are a bit worried about could that serve their large family, TM7 is actually probably going to be better in that capacity. And look at our funky square Verona. It is actually so much bigger as well. So let's get in and open it all up. So if you want to come and see this in action, I'm going to look at some open homes and I'm looking for some people to host an open home in their house where they can become the host. So, amazing bottom, but it's flat. Our lid, again, it's flat, and a flat tray, so it's got a lot more capacity than dip. So that is the unboxing of the brand new TM7. Are you excited? Would you like some more information? Reach out. So I'm super excited. Thanks, and have an amazing